Hi everybody, tonight I'm going to teach you how to cook General chicken. We need chicken thigh meat, then we need broccoli, also we need compound sauce, we need cornstarch, we need ground garlic, also we need dry red pepper, also we need vinegar, we need sugar and sesame oil. Also we need a pot of hot oil and a pot of hot water. Also we need an empty pot. Okay, right now we are going to turn on the fire, turn on the stove, and we will be right back after 10 minutes. Right now we are going to put the chicken thigh meat into the oil. Be careful. Be careful with your hand. Do it slowly. Also, you can pour the broccoli into the water and steam that. When the color is golden, that should be ready. Alright. Right now you couldn't touch that because it will stick in there. You should wait about 1 minute. At this time, and your broccoli is ready. So just take it out. Drain that, and then make it special. Okay, you can put it like that, and then we need some oil. First, we should. Right now, you can touch that, and then make it separate. To make it separately. Then you don't need hot water, just turn it off. Wow, that's great. Then you need some oil. Put some garlic in there. Also the red pepper. And stir fry that. Stir it. And make your stove to medium high. Okay. Then we need compound sauce. Also we need some vinegar. Don't pour too much. about 1 table teaspoon. It should be alright. Scramble that. Right now you should see how's your chicken going on. Maybe it needs a couple more minutes. Okay, the color should be golden, and then you just take it out from the oil. Nice and crunchy, you see? It's very crunchy. The last step is turn on here, and then we need cornstarch. Slowly, do it slowly. Don't make it sticky. Don't put too much in. Okay, that's enough. Then put the chicken there. Then scramble that. And then we need sugar. Right now we need sugar. About 3 tablespoons. If you like sweet, you can pour some more if you want. And then we need some sesame oil. Okay. Continue to do it. You see, it will become sticky. Okay, almost finished. You can take it out, turn off the stove, then put those in the middle of broccoli. Okay, here's your General Tso's chicken. Thank you.